Watering. Why do we water? How do we water? Those are a lot of questions that I've gotten over the years. And I'm going to dispel the notion that you need to water your grass every day. You do not. It's actually more detrimental to your lawn because you will only allow your grass to be able to develop a smaller root system as opposed to watering your grass deeply every 3 days or so. Now, oftentimes, whenever we get rain, you don't need to be out there and do a deep watering. Of course, the day after rain, you just want to it's kind of a wait and see approach, depending on what Mother Nature is doing. Because typically a lawn needs to receive at least 1 inch of rain per week or water per week, and if we're not being given that 1 inch per week from Mother Nature, you need to make sure that your lawn is being provided that. And once again, we do this with deep and frequent watering. You do it every 3 days on average. So I just wanted to make sure that is a very important step and a very important thing that can't be left off, because if you're not properly watering it, you can't axe a lawn and think that a lawn can do well, because it of course needs water to survive and be able to store those things up in its roots. So I just wanted to speak briefly on that and the importance of watering. And if you don't water your lawn properly, then ultimately it will fail.